This art will let you enhance your focus, patience, and it will let you experience the flow state of mind. My name is Gautam Vaishnav and I am a balance artist. It's been 5 years on this journey. I've done more than 500 workshops also. I've also taught this art to blind students, those who can't hear and speak, and autism, Down syndrome and ADHD kids also. This art will let you enhance your focus, patience, concentration, and it will let you experience mindfulness, stillness in this chaos, and it will let you experience the flow state of mind. It will let you experience or feel the most amazing feeling of your life. So, welcome to the beginner's guide of a rock balancer. So whenever you go out, you always think that I use some glue or something. But today I will be going to teach you that how you can start balancing something. First of all, when you start, you just have to make sure that the base rock which you are taking should be constant and it shouldn't be moving, like it shouldn't be wobbling like this. So this is wobbling here. So I'll just make sure that if it is not wobbling or not. See, now it is not wobbling. So now when you find that 3 points, when you're keeping the rock, okay, the moment you keep it, the rock is, see, going this side or it will go this side also. So technically this rock itself is telling you that how he will get balance. So all you have to do, you just have to listen to the rock, because true communication isn't about talking, but it is about listening. So I have to listen to the rock now. And in this way, you have to balance it and you just have to listen to the rock, because I feel that I am a good listener now. So once you have balanced this also, all you have to do, you have to use all the corners of this rock. So now I will try and balance this side, okay, on this pore only, okay. You keep it here, it's going this side, nahi ho raha hai. I'm just trying to figure out which point it will go. So this rock has 3 corners totally. I have done this one, I have done this one, now to the last one. So you keep this rock and try to figure out where it is going. Be a good listener. Make sure that you know what to do, because the upcoming videos will be for you only and it will help you how to do balancing. And you just have to go out, find some rocks and just keep it on each other, balancing on some tiny spots.